Hi everybody, this is Vicki from Island Yarn. Today we're going to do a quick tutorial on double crochets. Double crochets are everywhere in granny squares. They're everywhere. So you can see they're a little taller than single crochets, so it makes your work go a lot faster. At the end of a double crochet row, which you can see I'm at, you usually chain 3. And that chain 3 counts as the double crochet here, so it sort of corresponds to this one. So that means you're not going to go into this stitch as you turn it, because that one already has a stitch attached to it. Does that make sense? Yeah. All right, so then to do a double crochet, you're going to yarn over the hook, then you're going to go in underneath both loops, unless it says back loop, front loop. Grab the yarn and pull it up, so then you have 3 loops on your hook. So then you're going to yarn over the hook again and pull it through the first 2. Then you just have 2 left. And then yarn over your hook and pull it through the last 2. Now you've got a little double crochet. So again, you yarn over the hook before you go into the stitch. Go into the stitch, pull up the yarn, then you have 3 loops. You're going to yarn over, pull it through the first 2. You're going to yarn over and pull it through the last 2. And that's it. There's your double crochets. We'll do one more. How about that? So you yarn over, go into the stitch, and pull up a loop. 3 loops. Yarn over through the first 2. Yarn over through the second 2. And that's it. That's your double crochets. Hope that helps. Thanks for watching.